guys, I'm here with another tech tip, and since AI for differentiation was so popular, I wanted to give you a few more, and I wanted to use one of my more favorite AIs. So the presentation that I gave was really about AIs to do some very specific things. And NotebookLM is another source that can do that. One of the things I like about NotebookLM is you create and add your own sources. So if I come here and I upload files, I can choose, I'm going to upload this biology inheritance patterns and genetic research tutorial. And while I'm at it, if I'm going to upload that, I might also want to upload my key for that, right? Which is all the way at the bottom, inheritance patterns and genetic research. So now there's two sources in this notebook, right? And once the notebook is created, it does take it a bit to upload. So I'm just going to call this bio. And now it has uploaded and I can output things. Now, some things you are limited on how much you can output. So I'm going to flip over to a NotebookLM that I used earlier when I was practicing, because you are only allowed to generate 3 video overviews or audio overviews per day. I want to show you what those look like. So first off, the audio overview. This is the audio overview that I generated. Sorry, it just starts playing immediately when you click on it. So it plays a video. Now, I do not like that the audio is so long. You can totally download it and send it as a file to someone. If you download it, it is going to download as probably an MP3, I would guess. Oh, an M4A. I have no idea what that is, but clearly it knows how to play it.
Welcome to today's deep dive. We are really thrilled to have you with us because today's journey is
that is an audio only. Now, I don't like the fact that it's 20 minutes. That's way too long a video. Our kid is, or not video, audio. Our kid is probably not going to listen to that. I would try to keep it shorter. So when I asked for, if I asked for an audio overview, I would say give a 5-minute audio overview covering these 3 most important things, right? The video overview I thought it did was super cool. Literally all I did was give it this as a source and said, give me a video overview, and this is the video it made. I do like the fact that you can play the video at twice speed, so it could be faster. The graphics are pretty good in here. Not as good as the graphics when I had to create a slideshow, though. So let me show you that. So another thing that you can do is you can have it create slides. And I thought these were really good lecture slides. I can revise it, so I can come in here and ask it to change things about them. So I can say, actually, I don't really have anything for that. Notes for this. Shades Rebellion. I don't know. That looks good. I mean, I really did like this a whole lot. So I'm having problems finding something I wanted to change, but I can come in here and say, make the title less violent. I don't know that I would actually do that, but let's go ahead and ask, right? And once I asked for that, now I guess it wants me to do all of them at once, right? Wow, I love the way it has the direct quotes there, okay? And I just really got to say, I do think it did a very good job. This one I would say, can you make the text behind the leak of friendship more easier to read? So I'm going to click generate new deck, and it's going to go ahead and generate. Okay, so it comes up with a cool slide deck. Now it's doing a revision. It does always take some time. I did try the flashcards. I got to tell you, I was not happy with how it produced the flashcards. So I think I would probably give it a specific list of terms that I wanted on the flashcards for flashcards. But I'm going to tell you, if you're looking to differentiate and you load your materials from Inventum into here and your materials for your course into here, it can give you some really useful things. It can even create an alternative quiz for you. Okay? So I hope you will try out NotebookLM and load your own sources and experiment with one. Have a great week.